and এই যে ফোনো আহিছিল, I think our police has able to establish এই গোটেই ঘটনাটো বাংলাদেশৰ পৰা কেনেকৈ ফোন আহিছিল, কোন জড়িত আছিলে. More or less police is in the final leg of its investigation. We have already arrested one Ali Hussain Bepari, who is suspected to be involved with JMB, a organization called JMB. It is being police is of the view that this guy has given all the phone numbers to the Bangladesh, and he is the major conduit in getting those phone calls to people of Dhubri. So this person has been arrested, inquiry is going on, and we will be able to crack the case soon. ইয়াৰ নাম আছে তাৰ Ali Hussain Bepari. He is the person who acted as a conduit. Bangladeshot phone number bilak iye pothai disile. So he is a Indian. He was earlier arrested in JMB related cases. This is his second offense.